I still ain't rich.
Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah.
Noisy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. Nigga, I've been up 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Tryna figure out a way to get paid. I've been up like 4, 5, 6 days straight. Tryna figure out a way to get paid. I've been up like 4, 5 days in a row. I got a little something, but I need a little more. 9 to 5 money, just a little too slow. And I need that fast, like pronto. Yeah, bags up under my eyes, okay. Working like I don't get tired, okay. I need me a suit and tie, okay. Because I'm married to the grind, okay. 24/7, I'm booked and I'm busy. Ain't about no business.
This
We
morning.
have a special guest. Come on.
What's up, Tater? You alright? Ready to help out with this car, man?
Go help with the car.
Everybody want to say hi. This is Tater. I'm new to the group. So, yeah. It is pretty good.
Alright, I'm restarting my car. Hey, now, you see the latch under here? Come under here. It's the latch right here. You see that latch?
Yep.
Pull that up. There you go. Now, pop the hood. Come on. Come over here. Let's go, my boy. Hold on, girls. Just stay right here. This is do-boy job. You hold the keys. Yep. You have to open this up. So, look. You have to see. See, it's right here. You see what this latch is? It's a little latch. Right here. There you go.
There we go.
Good job, do-boy. Boy. You see this right here?
There's gas right there, right?
Yup. That's the positive. That's the positive, and that's the negative. Remember what battery we was talking about, right?
Yep.
The
I
right-
remember.
The red one always the what?
Positive.
And this one is what?
Negative.
Good job. All right. Now, mama, your job. Come on. Gotta get in the car. All right. Now, before we do that, right? We have to hit this little latch, just like Tyler did under there. It's a little latch. Yep. Good job. That's how you get to the hood of the car. Good job. All right. Now, let's do something else. All right. You see the latch?
Put it back.
Pull it back, but you're gonna have to pull this up too, mama. All right, go ahead. It's heavy. All right, now hold it. Tyler, you see this right here?
Yeah.
You're gonna get this. All right, y'all, the phone had died, so my babies, they had got the joints up, the little hoods up. Get this ready to start it, and they're gonna get in the cars, they're gonna start it up. So the first one we're gonna start off with is T-R-E. Okay, mama, open the door. Okay. So you get in there comfortably. All right. Now you see this key? It's gonna go inside this right here. That little hole right there. Now, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna turn it all the way like this and hold it until it starts. All right, it started. Good job, baby, come on. All right, number 1 complete. Let's go on. All right, now let's go on the do-boy. All right, Mr. Do-boy, you ready, Mr. Do-boy? All right, ready to start him up? All right. Go ahead. Gotta push harder. Huh. Right there. Okay, I gotta sit. Okay, I gotta sit. All right.